Friends, hope you will be fine. Today we will study about some of the examples of C array. Now in this we will take two programs. With the help of that we can understand the concept of array. Now so our first program is sorting of an array in ascending order. Now what we have to do, we have to create a main function. Inside the main function take two variables, integer I, j and a temporary variable. Now create an array of 10 elements. In this take some elements with direct initialization, for example 10, 9, 7, 101, 23, 44, 12, 78, 84, 23. Now what we have to do for sorting an array in ascending order, first we have to traverse the array, and second we have to arrange elements in the sorting way. It means we have to replace the element positions. So what we have to do, we have to take here two loop. For example, for I equal to 0, I is less than 10, I plus plus, this is the outer loop, and inside that we have taken an inner loop for j equal to I plus 1, j is less than 10 and j plus plus. Now here what we have to do, if a of j is greater than a of I, then we have to interchange the element, and for interchanging the element we have taken a temporary variable. In the temporary variable save a element at the j position. Now the a of I is vacant. Now a of I is given the value of a of j, and a of j is given the value of 10. So this is the way by which shifting of element is performed. So in short form we can say that this is the outer loop for traversing the array element, this is the inner loop for changing the position, and this is the logic to shift elements from one position to another. At last what we have to do, we have to print the element with the help of loop. For this we have to create a for loop. For example, for I equal to 0, I is less than 10, I plus plus. Now printing the element, given printf statement percentile d slash n and a of I. So this is the way by which the elements are sorted. Now let us take another program. We can understand the array resizing. Now what we have to do in the second program, this is our second example. In this what we will do, we will print the largest and the second largest element of an array. Now include a file, include stdio.h, create a main function. Inside the main function what we have to do, we have to take an array of 50 elements two variables I and n. We have to take the largest, we have to take the second largest element, we have to print second largest and the largest element. So first printf, enter the size of an array. Scanf percentile d address of n. Now again printf, we have to enter the elements in an array, enter the elements one by one. So in this we have to take a for loop for I equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus. Now scanf percentile d address of arr of I. So it depends upon the number of the size of an array. Suppose you have taken here 20 elements, then this loop will iterate 20 times and the 20 elements will be saved in this location. Now let us take the logic to print out the largest and the second largest element. So first what we have taken that about the largest element is at the first position, that is the 0th element, and the second largest is the element at the second position. Now suppose we have this array, so this is the index number 0 and this is the index number 1. So this is our largest element and this is our second largest element we have supposed here. Now our logic is that for I equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus. Now if arr of I is greater than largest, if in an array, if the element at I position is greater than the largest, we will assume that the second largest is equal to largest and the largest will become the arr of I. Now if this condition is not true, then we have taken here else if statement. Now in this else if statement, if arr of I is greater than second largest and arr of I is not equal to largest, then second largest equal to arr of I. So dear students, now what we have to do, we have closed here the for loop. Now printing the element like that, printf largest equal to percentile d, second largest equal to percentile d, and here the largest and the second largest. Hope you have understood this one. Thank you very much.